Hello, today we'll be taking a look at how to add a news article inside of the news component in the ISM. To begin, hover over your domain name, select Content, and scroll down to News. Once loaded, you'll be able to see every article that has been posted on your website. Notice here that no article has been posted yet on this website, and thus it remains empty. After we create our first article, you will see it listed. To add your new article, press the New button, and in the first field, you're going to give your article a name. Once you have named your article, you have two options to hide the article or to keep the article at the top of the page. If you hide your article, the article will not be visible on the front end of your website. If you decide to keep the article at the top of the page, the article will remain at the top of your news feed, even if you create additional news stories. Choosing No, the default option, will keep the article in chronological time order, meaning that every news article created after this date will simply add on top of this news article. The date written and the date released are two different field categories for adding the date of your news article. Perhaps our article was written on the 20th, but that the public did not find out about this information until the 25th. We have the ability to set the two different dates inside of the component. The article type between press release and general news does not affect how your article will display. When our news component was originally built, the categories component When this article was originally built, the categories component did not exist. Since then, the categories component has been added, and thus the need for a press release or general news release is not needed. Choosing either of these options will not have an effect on your article. Your author can be credited for writing your story by simply selecting their name. In a few moments, we will take a look at how to add additional authors and news categories. If your article was originally published by an outside source, you can give credit to that source by inputting their URL here in this field. For example, if your article is written by the local news station, you could put the link to the article in this field. If your article is written by somebody on your staff, there is no need to include the source URL. Notice that the categories section here remains empty. In a few moments, we'll be creating additional categories, and we'll take a look at what changes after categories have been added. You have the ability to add a short teaser about your news article. Keep in mind that a teaser is typically 1 to 3 sentences long and simply provides a quick overview of your news article. If you are concerned that your news teaser might be too long, simply save your work and load your dev site to see if the formatting on your home page or your news page has been messed up. If you are pasting text from an outside source, such as Microsoft Word, make sure that you're using the Paste from Word button and pasting your text into the field. Make sure that both checkboxes for ignoring font face definitions and the checkbox for remove styles definition are both checked, and press OK. Once your text has been posted, if you would like to format your text in any way, you can use the built-in font editor to change anything. Once your text is pasted in the text box, you can use the built-in text editor to format your text. Notice that I can bold this entire selection by highlighting it and pushing the bold button. Or if I wanted to underline it, I could simply click the underline button as well. If you'd like to feature an image in the teaser section, you can upload an image here by pressing Select, browsing to locate your file, selecting your file and pressing Open, and pressing the Upload File button, making sure to push OK to attach it to your page. Making sure to press OK to attach it to your page. In the body section, this is where you'll paste your entire news article. Please remember that if you're pasting from an outside source such as Microsoft Word or any other format that might have formatting already, that you use the Paste from Word button to remove any additional formatting. Simply press the button and paste your entire article inside the box. Make sure that both fields are checked and press OK. And now your news article has been added. Now that our article is posted, on the left side of the screen you will see that you have some options to format your article a particular way. You can choose any of these formats and it will place your image in that predefined region. For example, if we choose the second image here, you will see that our image will be in the top right-hand side and your news article will be around it. Again, we're going to upload an image by pressing Select, browsing to locate the file. Once we find the file, select it and press Open and upload the file. Remembering to push OK to attach it to the page. Your image must be uploaded twice if you would like to feature it in both the teaser category and the body section. If you have two text categories but your article is short, you do not have to use both fields. Notice here that this site has 3 body sections set up. However, we do not have to use any of the additional fields. If you have an attachment that you would like to add, you can do so at the bottom of the page in the Attachments category by pressing Select, browsing to locate the file, pressing Open, and uploading the file to the page, remembering to push OK to attach it. Once you are done, simply press the Save button to save your article. And your article has been created.